gagamitin mo?
Di ba nakatatakpan naman?
Ay, winhan, ag-shoes mo, ag-gagayang. Ay,
Thank you, Section B.
Exercise sa atin, sobrang bigat. Kailangan pag-nurse ka, matalino ka, dapat magaling ka, dapat mabilis kang gumalaw, dapat hindi ka mahiyain. Pero more than these traits, I ask that you batch 2024 prioritize having a good heart.
Titibok mo pag pinakikinggan ko, pinatitib.
Let's give a warm welcome to the graduating class of 2024 as they serenade their parents, guardians.
Titibok mo pag pinakikinggan ko,
Sumabay ka lang, huwag kang mahihiya. Sige, subukan mo, baka may makala. Walang mawa.
Ang hindi alam ng karamihan, maaga na siyang namulat sa isang malateleseryeng buhay. Tunghayan natin ang kwento ni MacNeil Briguela na mas kilala natin ngayon bilang si Aura.
To your parents, your guardians, your loved ones, so superbly and respect of the day. Remember, parents, benefactors, guardians, ang malaking ito nila sa mga susunod na buwan, mapapalitan ko. Yes, take note ko kayo dyan. So first, support them as they study, as they review, as they take the exam. Mamumupit pa po sila. Kailangan pagpakalaking bagay po na naniniwala kayo mismo na ang inyong mga anak ay kakayanan ipasa ang board exam. So to the parents and to the guardians, please.
The journey ahead will not always be easy. There will be days when the weight of your responsibilities feels overwhelming, and moments when you will doubt your own abilities.
Congratulations!
And studying this is something that you need to attend to our team, no? When your students that you have tortured and abused for quite a long time. Now you see them, graduating, di ba? Oo, parang at least man lang dito makita rin sila na nag-i-smile pagka nandito kasi pag nasa classroom, baka hindi yata. To our proud parents, thank you for joining us.
Batch 2024, practice the board exam.
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped